day. This is a Chick-fil-A, 925, going like 6.5 miles. Thank you. Total ended up being $9.75 there. Next order up is a Starbucks, $7.75, going about 5 miles.
We're here for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Next order finally came in. This is a McDonald's, $10 and some change, going 5 miles.
Right here, both bags for you.
Thank you. It's super slow right now. Haven't gotten an order in quite some time. So I figured I might as well answer questions that I got on my previous videos. First one says, I feel like you're better off running the delivery business with a motorcycle. Save fuel with the same pay, right? Probably. Couple issues with that though. I've never ridden a motorcycle. I wouldn't be able to do some of the orders that I do now, like the grocery or the bigger alcohol orders. And it rains most of the year where I live, and I don't like getting rained on. Plus, I feel like it'd be kind of dangerous to be on a motorcycle when it's pouring rain. Good question though. Anyways, finally got my next order after rambling for so long. This is a Starbucks, $6.75, going 2 miles.
Thank you.
Sure.
Alright, good job. All set.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
The other question is DoorDash a viable source of income? That one is a little bit more difficult to answer because it all depends. Every single market is different, so I can't speak on anybody else and their situation. But for me specifically, DoorDash alone, technically yes. In order for that to happen, I would have to drive a lot more hours, I think, which is why I use Uber Eats as well, because theoretically it gives me twice the amount of orders to choose from. Then again, I live a pretty frugal lifestyle. This is enough to cover my rent, which isn't cheap, by the way, all my bills and groceries. Hopefully you get the idea that I'm trying to spit out. Hello. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you. Next order up is a Voodoo Donut, $7, going 4.5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
It's okay.
Total ended up being $8.53. Small hidden tip on that one. I'll take it. Just got my next order. This is a shop and deliver for PetSmart. $12.50, going 7 miles, 2 items. This. 2 of these. Next order up, this is the shop and deliver for alcohol. $15.25 going 8 miles, 6 items. What does that say? Door opens outwards. Next to the door, not in front, please. Thanks. Extra hot sauce. Thanks. Interesting. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Got it?
Thank you.
Have a good one. This one might be a mistake, but I'm gonna take it anyways. It says IHOP, $13.75 going 8 miles. Lots of orders sitting there. And I can guarantee you, most of those were very low or no tip orders, because I was getting a lot of different IHOP orders. Next order finally came in. This is Gravity Coffee, $12 going under 6 miles.
Sorry about the wait.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a great day.
You too. Next order up is a kitchen table cafe. This is $7 going 2 miles. Is this place really this busy right now? All right, if this is not ready, I'm just gonna call it a day.
That just came in 8 minutes ago, so it's gonna be a little longer.
Probably between 10 to 15 minutes.
Thank you. We've ended your dash. We paused your dash for 10 minutes because you weren't accepting orders. Don't know how true that is. And on that note, I will be calling it a day. Current time is 12:01. Total is, I think, 99. I don't think we broke the $100 mark today. But anyways, that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.